preheat the oven to 350 degrees so that it can already be ready and hot to bake. Next, you're going to get your parchment paper and you're going to get your sharp shredded cheddar cheese or whatever type of cheddar cheese or cheese that you like. And you're going to put them in circles, kind of like the size of the tortilla shells, the regular tortilla shells. You're going to put them in the circles like that, as you see me doing in the video. And once you get all of the circles made for all the shells that you think that you're going to need, you're just going to place it in the oven and let it bake. So I only let them bake for probably about 5 minutes. You just need to see the cheese bubbling. I kind of like my outsides a little crisp. So I'll let it cook a little more if they're not to my liking, but to each his own. So as you see, they are done. The outside is a little crisp like I like it. So now I just hang them to dry. I had to come up with something, guys. So I got 2 cups and stuck some poles on the end to try to let them hang. And this is the finished result. When you let them hang, make sure you try to form the shape of a shell. That's what you're trying to do. You're trying to form the shape of a shell to get that little, I guess, folding shape. But that's how they turned out, guys, and they were so good and delicious. I hope you try this out, and if you do, let me know in the comment sections below, and let me know how was it. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in the next one.